Right? You can see I have shifted it. You can make a tilt sensor also. There is a buzzer and there is a near the buzzer. You can keep playing on this. You see the wire, right? Making one more circuit, very simple circuit for beginners, for learners who want to learn or want to start with operational amplifiers. Dual safety alarm system, that is two alarms. One is earthquake and fire detection, both. Okay, using only one IC, that is LM358. A very simple circuit. So we'll discuss about this. Before that, I just want to give you a little idea about operational amplifier. So already we have discussed in another videos, previous videos. But even then, operational amplifier are versatile, very versatile chip component used in countless electronic application, from signal processing to filtering, and play a critical role in modern circuits, especially for making your sensors, any type of analog and digital box sensors. You use operational amplifier. Okay, now this is the circuit of the project, what we are doing it, that is dual sensors what we have used for our homes and our application. So there is only one IC, LM358. We are using both the comparators for the connection. That is, one sensor is connected to one comparator, another sensor is connected to another comparator. So what else? We have used an earthquake sensor. You can use any of the sensors. There are a variety of sensors available with you. Please remember, analog type of sensors you have to use in the beginning. We can use any of the sensors. Okay, fire sensor also we have used to the another comparator. Please remember the 10K potentiometer which is connected to pin number 2 and pin number 6 common. You have to make the preset adjustment very carefully. Okay, that is the only one. Then output is taken, combined together through a resistor. It is given to a transistor, that is PNP transistor. We have used two PNP transistor. One is for driving the LED, another one is for driving the buzzer. Okay, I have shown speaker here, but it is a buzzer. So you get a siren. Okay, so both the things will come together if any of the event happen, that is fire or earthquake. Very simple project for school childrens, for beginners, for others, students who want to go to science projects and all. It's a very big. I hope you will like it. I will continue with the project and in the lab. So we will first see, as per the schematic diagram, what are the components necessary. I have just aligned it here. I have kept it here, and one by one I will explain it. So first you need a breadboard, a smaller, bigger, any breadboard. So I have taken one regulator IC, that is 7805. 7805 regulator IC. Okay. Two transistors, that is in PNP transistor, DC 558, 557 or 552. 10 kilo potentiometer LED, few of the resistors of different values that already have been in the schematic diagram. And this is my main IC, that is operational amplifier LM358. This is my buzzer, small buzzer I have used. And these are two sensors. One of these sensors is a flame sensor, that is fire for detecting fire, and another one I have taken for just for seismic activity. What I have done is I have taken a ball sensor. Ball sensor is like if you tilt it, you just go from high to low or low to high, and two jumper wires for giving connection. So let's start without wasting time. Let's start. I will just show you how to do the connection, how to use the components that we are going to see now. just explain you about the circuit. So these are the two sensors. One is flame sensor this side. This one is the flame sensor. And this is your earthquake sensor. It's a ball sensor actually. How does it work? I will just show you the demo. This is our operational amplifier. So both the operational amplifier, I mean, both the amplifiers inside, I have connected it to two transistors here. Two transistors. One is for driving the LED, another one is for driving the buzzer. Okay. So the supply, I'm giving it through regulated 5 volts, and this is my battery. That is, I've used 3.7 volts, 3.7 volts batteries, two batteries to power to the input of this regulator, and it is giving 5 volt to this circuit. The whole circuit is working with 5 volts. How you give the circuit, that's up to you. Now I will give you the complete demo. Just see, suppose there is earthquake and little this, you arrange this thing in a way that it will just bend, or it will rather it will vibrate, right? You can see I have tilted it. You can make a tilt sensor also. There is a buzzer and there is a light. Both the buzzer, probably buzzer sound you will not be able to hear it, but you can see this thing. Okay, so this is one. Okay. So how about the second one, which is connected to the second comparator? So I will just put a little flame on this, right? Okay, near the I will just put a little flame on this. You see the wire, right? Near that is fire alarm. Okay, again the buzzer and light has come. Okay, so likewise it works. Very simple project. The beginners who want to understand about operational amplifier, that is LM358, you can do a small project, very cheap project. Okay, so these are the operational amplifier projects.